Now we have to do the sum where all trigonometric ratios we have to find in the terms of cot A. Like tangent A is equal to 1 by cot, like that. And then one formula is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. So that means cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square. Third reciprocal of cosecant is 1 by sin. That means cosecant A is equal to under root of 1 plus cot square. That means 1 by sin A is equal to 1 by cot 1 plus cot square A under the root. So sin A will be equal to sin A will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A under the, as we know, sin square A will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus cot square A. Sin we can convert into the cos. So that means cos square A is equal to, that means 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. So 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cot square A is equal to cos square A. So its LCM is 1 plus cot square A, 1 plus cot square A minus 1 is equal to cos square A. So cos A is equal to cot A upon 1 plus cot square A under the root. And question number 5th is cos is reciprocal of secant. So secant A is equal to 1 plus cot square A upon cot A. That will be in under the. So this is how we will find all the trigonometrical ratios. Now the next sum is tangent theta 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tangent theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. Left hand side tangent theta 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus. So no identity is being used, so we can change into sin and cos. So it will be tangent, we can write sin theta by cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. So it will be sin theta by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. When will reciprocal, it will be sin square theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta minus sin. If we see carefully, these two are same. These two are same, but only the difference is of a sign. So we will change the sign. We will write sin square theta, sin square theta, cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. From here we will take minus common. This is plus, this will become minus. Cos square theta sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now again we can take the LCM. LCM will be cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. It will be sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. It will be sin theta minus cos theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin theta cos theta plus upon sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This is cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. We will separate it. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta. We will do the reciprocal of this. It will be secant theta into cosecant theta plus 1, which is equal to RHS. Another sum is 1 plus tangent square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to tangent square A. We have to prove. Left hand side, 1 plus tangent square A, 1 plus cot square A. 1 is we can change everything into the sine and cos, or we can do straight way also. So tangent square is secant square A and this is cosecant square A. That means this is 1 upon secant square A upon 1 upon cosecant square A, which is equal to this is 1 upon cos square A and 1 upon sin square A, which is equal to sin square A upon cos square A, which is equal to tangent square A is equal to RHS. Always you have to go by the fundamentals. Sin theta plus cosecant theta raised to the power 2 plus cos theta plus secant theta raised to the power 2 is equal to 7 plus tangent square theta plus cot square theta. Left hand side will open this, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta cos cosecant theta plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta secant theta. What we have to prove, we have to see, we need tangent and cot. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant we can write 1 plus cot square theta plus this is cancelled, reciprocal है. Secant is 1 plus tangent square theta and this is reciprocal too. So it will be 7 plus tangent square theta plus cot square theta is equal to RHS. Another sum is sin A plus cos A sin A plus cos A upon cos A sin A minus cos A sin a minus cos a plus sin a minus cos a upon sin a plus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a minus cos square a or 2 upon 2 sin square a minus 1. Left hand side sin a plus cos a, sin a minus cos a plus sin a minus cos a plus sin a plus cos a. LCM will be sin a minus cos a, sin a plus cos a. It will be sin a plus cos a whole square plus sin a minus cos a whole square. When we'll open this, then we will get we'll find sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a plus sin square a plus cos square a minus 2 sin a cos a upon sin square a plus cos square a. ठीक है जी, this is cancelled. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 plus 1 by sin square a sin square a minus cos square a 2 upon sin square a minus cos square a is equal to LHS. Now if we have to do further, we need sine. We will write 2 sin square a. This cos square a will change 1 minus sin square a. We will open this. This will be 2 upon sine plus sine is 2 sin square a minus 1 is equal to LHS. With this we have